tokens. This is the current contest that's happening right now, just as I speak and making this video on the 8th of October 2021. We got 23 days, 6 hours, and 8 minutes left until it's done. FastTrackToken giveaway. We are giving away $15,000 USD worth of tokens, so don't miss out your chance to share. Use Twitter follow, visit and join the Telegram, visit us on Blockstar, visit our website, Instagram follow, YouTube subscribe, share via email, PooCoin vote, buy FastTrack tokens. Total entries right now, 478. There you go. Next thing is the audit. So this is the FastTrack Token project audit. You got TRU audit, FastTrack, TRU audit. There's the HTTPS. Disclaimer. This is a limited report on our findings based on our analyze in accordance with good industry practices as at the date of this report in relation to cybersecurity vulnerabilities and issues in the framework and algorithms based on smart contracts, the details of which are set out in this report. In order to get a full review of our analysis, it is crucial for you to read the full report. While we have done our best in conducting our analyze and producing this report, it is important to note that you should not rely on this report and cannot claim against us on the basis of what is said or doesn't say and how we produced it, and it is important for you to conduct your own independent investigations before making any decisions. We go into more detail on this in the below disclaimer. Below, please make sure to read it in full. By reading this report or any part of it, you agree to the terms of this disclaimer. If you do not agree to these terms, then please immediately cease reading this report and delete and destroy any and all copies of this report downloaded and or printed by you. This report is provided for information purposes only and on a non-reliance basis and does not constitute investment advice. No one shall have any right to rely on the report or its contents, and TRU Audit and its affiliates, including holding companies, shareholders, subsidies, employees, directors, officers, and other representatives. TRU Audit owe no duty of care towards you or any other person, nor does TRU Audit make any warrant or representation to any person on the accuracy or completeness of this report. The report is provided as is, without any conditions, warranties, or other terms of any kind except as set out in this disclaimer. And TRU Audit hereby excludes all representation, warranties, conditions, and other terms, including without limitations the warranties implied by law as stat factors, quality, fitness for purposes and use of reasonable care and skill, which but for this clause might have effect in relations to the report, except and only to the extent that is prohibited by law. TRU Audit hereby excludes all liability and responsibility, and neither you nor any other person shall have any claim against TRU Audit for any amount or kind of loss or damage that may result to you or any other person, including without limitation any direct, indirect, special, pontiff, consensual, or pure economic loss or damages, or any loss of income, profits, goodwill, data, contracts, use of money, or business interruption, and whether in delicate tort, including without limitation, negligence, contract breach of statutory duties, misrepresentation, whether innocent or negligent, or otherwise under any claim, any nature whatsoever, in any jurisdiction, in any way arising from or connected with this report in the inability to use or the results of this report and any reliance on this report. The analyze of the security is purely based on the smart contracts alone. No applications or operations were reviewed for security. No product code has been reviewed. Table of contents. Disclaimer. Number 1. Introduction. 1.1. Auditing approach and methodology applied. 2. True audit. 2.1. Audit details. 2.2. Audit goals. 2.3. Security. 2.4. Sound architecture. 2.5. Code correctiveness and quality. 3. Issue categories. 3.1. High-level severity issues. 3.2. Medium-level severity issues. 3.3. Low-level severity issues. 4. Manual audit. 4.1. Critical severity issues. 4.2. High severity issues. 4.3. Medium severity issues. 4.4. Low severity issues. 5. Automated audit. 6. Summary. Note. So, number 1. Introduction. This audit report mainly focuses on the overall security of the FastTrack smart contract. With this report, we have tried to ensure the reliability and correctness of their smart contract by complete and rigorous assessment of their system's architecture and the smart contract code base. 1.1. Auditing approach and methodology applied. The TRU audit team has performed rigorous testing of the project, starting with analyzing the code design patterns in which we reviewed the smart contract architecture to ensure it is structured and safe to use third-party smart contracts in libraries. Our team then performed a formal line-by-line inspection of smart contract to find any potential issues like race conditions, transition ordering dependence, timestamp dependence, and denial of service attacks. In the unit testing phase, we coded and conducted custom unit tests written for each function in the contract to verify that each function works as expected. In automated testing, we tested the smart contract with our in-house developed tools to identify vulnerabilities and security flaws. The code was tested in collaboration of multiple team members, and this includes testing the functionality of the smart contract to determine proper logic has been followed throughout the whole process, analyzing the complexity of the code in depth and detailed manual review of the code line by line, deploying the code on testnet using multiple clients to run live tests, analyzing failure preparations to check how the smart contract performs in case of any bugs, vulnerabilities, checking whether all the libraries used in the code are on the latest version, analyzing the security of the on-chain data. Number 2, TRU audit. TRU audit received the application for the smart contract security audit of FastTrack on September 1st, 2021. The following are the details and results of this smart contract security audit. Token name, FastTrack. Audit results, passed. Audit number, TRU audit 000075985. Audit date, September 1st, 2021. Audit team, TRU audit. Contract address 0x-D-A085F4DB-C8A9F2D3F6718E5C03. Link address, there's the BSC scan link right there. The audit items and results. Other unknown security vulnerabilities are not included in the audit and responsible scope. 2.2. Audit details. Project name, FastTrack. Website. There's the website right there. FastTrackToken.com. Language solidity. Platforms and tools remix. Okay, just some odd stuff. 2.2 Audit Goals. The focus of the audit was to verify that the smart contract system is secure, resilient, and working according to the specifications. The audit activities can be grouped into the following 3 categories. Security. Identifying security-related issues within each contract in the system of contracts. 2.4 Sound architecture. Evaluation of the architecture of the system through the lenses of established smart contract best practices and general software best practices. Okay. 2.5 Code correctness and quality. A full review of the contract source code. The primary areas of focus include sections of accuracy, readability, code with high complexity, quantity and quality of test coverage. Number 3, issue categories. Every issue in this report was assigned a severity level from the following. 3.1 High level severity issues. Issues on this level are critical to the smart contract's performance and functionality and should be fixed before moving to the live event. 3.2 Medium level severity issues. Issues on this level could potentially bring problems and should eventually be fixed. 3.3 Low level severity issues issued on this level are minor details and warning that can remain unfixed but would be better fixed at some point in the future. Number of issues per severity: 0 critical, 0 high, 0 medium, 0 low, 0 notes. Issue checking status: number 1, complier warnings passed. Race condition. Okay, you guys could read through this. Possibly delays. Yep, pass. You guys could take a look right there. DDoS. Private user data leaks. Pass. We all passed all that stuff. 4. Manual audit. For this section, the code was tested, read line by line by our developers. We also used Remix IDEs, JavaScript, VM, and Kovan networks to test the contract's functionality. 4.1 Critical severity issues. No critical severity issues found. High severity issues. No issues found. Medium severity. No issues found. Low severity. No issues found. Automated audit. Remix complier warnings. It throws warnings by Solidity's complier. If it encounters any errors, the contract cannot be complied and deployed. No issues found. Summary: smart contract do not contain any high severity issues. Note: please check the disclaimer above and note the audit makes no statement or warranties on business model, investments, attractiveness, or code sustainability. The report is provided for only contracts mentioned in the report. I see that you made it to the end of the video, so if you would be so kind to give a sub down below, give a like, comment, share this content. Let's get this channel blowing up.